Are Amua Vital Drops the real deal for boosting wellness and metabolism, or just another supplement with big promises and little payoff? Let's take a closer look at what we found. Before we begin, quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on research, public listings, and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. Amua Vital Drops are listed on Amazon as a healthy formula designed to support stress relief, metabolism, and natural body enhancement. But here's the catch. There's no official website and almost no credible verified reviews. According to sources like InfoQ.com, there are some major red flags, such as lack of ingredient transparency. The formula includes herbs like ashwagandha and maca but offers no dosage info, making it impossible to gauge effectiveness, as well as mixed customer feedback, no clinical backing, and questionable marketing tactics. So, for the final verdict, does Amwell Vital Drops work? Based on current information, it's doubtful. While a few people might notice minor effects, the lack of transparency, weak customer feedback, and absence of clinical support suggest it may not be worth the gamble. Now, have you tried Amwell Vital Drops yourself? Drop your honest experience in the comments, and if this helped you decide, give it a like and subscribe for more no-nonsense reviews. See you in the next one.